In order to download Netflix in your MacBook, open the Spotlight and open Safari and also search for Netflix. Open Netflix homepage, then click on File in Safari and Add to Dock. Now name the shortcut Netflix and you'll see it on your dock. Now, let's open it. First, we'll close the Netflix window in Safari and open the new app we just made. Now you can see it works perfectly just like the Netflix that you know to be. Anyways, this method is very effective and it works for a variety of apps as long as the app developers have made a web app version for that app. And I think you can also download the videos in this Netflix app variants. And we're going to try it for another different app just to show you exactly how to create it each time and what it does. And I pick Facebook. So let's go back to Safari and search for Facebook, open Facebook homepage, and also do the same thing, file and add to dock. Name it Facebook and select add. Now you can see Facebook is also on the dock. So you have the Netflix app and the Facebook app. Now we launch the Facebook app and you can see perfect, just like a regular Facebook desktop app. Thanks for watching the video. I had it out.